Not so long ago, building a world of harmony came with quite a few twists. Lengthy parts, accuracy, interpretation, misunderstandings, and sometimes surprises. But times have changed. There's no ding with the BIM. The Building Information Modeling helps each stakeholder, client, architect, expert, and end user of a project to share the same vision from the design to the usage of a building. BIM with 3 M's for model, modeling, and management. Model, thanks to a 3-dimensional digital mock-up displaying details on every single component's feature. Managing, thanks to a structured layout that follows every step of the project's life cycle. Modifying and improving the project together with all its stakeholders, thanks to this brand new joint multi-display process. With BIM, construction enlivens the ways of designing, constructing, and operating efficient buildings and infrastructures, fulfilling the customers' and end users' expectations.